do you want to learn how to draw this adorable taco and chili on this wonderful Cinco de Mayo? If so, you are going to need some paper to draw on, a pencil to draw your doodle with, an eraser to erase any mistakes that you might make, and a marker to outline your doodle. And don't forget the markers, the crayons, the colored pencils, or the paint so we can add color to our awesome designs. Go ahead and grab all of those supplies and let's get started. Friends, happy Cinco de Mayo, or would it be Feliz Cinco de Mayo? So let's go ahead and we are going to draw a little hot chili and a little taco, and we are going to give them all sorts of personality on this wonderful 5th of May. So go ahead and get your supplies. Your paper is going to go horizontal, which means that it is short this way, but it is wide this way. And we are going to start by making our little pepper. And we are going to draw it the same way, but you guys can color it differently. So maybe you like red peppers, like really hot ones, or maybe you like jalapeno peppers. So we're going to start with kind of a very slight S curve here, a U shape at the bottom, and a nice curve here. And I'm going to leave this top open because I'm going to go right along the top here, and I'm going to create the greenery that would go at the top of my pepper. That kind of helps it grow. And then I'm going to go right here in the middle, and I'm going to give him just a little stem. And I made it skinnier at the bottom and a little wider at the top. And my pepper is very much turned sideways, and that's okay. It could be up and down. You can do it however you want. You can give him legs, arms, whatever works for you. I'm going to go ahead and give my pepper his eyes. So I definitely want those, you know, very personality-filled eyes with the two little white ovals. Those just give it a little bit of life. And I'm going to give him a little smile. Now, next to my pepper, but a little bit in the back, because my pepper comes down to about here, but my taco is going to be a little bit behind him. So I want my taco to end up a little more so it looks like he is behind the pepper. I don't want my pepper and him to be in the exact same space. They need to be one in front of the other. There needs to be one in the front and one in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and make a nice long straight line. And then from that straight line, I'm just going to do a curved line, but I'm not going to try to make it a perfect curve. I'm going to make it like a hard shelled taco. So I want him to have a couple little bumps going on the shell there. And I'm even going to go in and just add a couple little random, and I'm doing this with my marker. Do not do this with your pencil because it's not going to show up and it's kind of a waste of time. You can go in and do it with your marker, but I'm just going to add a couple little dots for maybe like grains or some seasoning or something else kind of in my taco shell. Now I'm going to go through and give my taco shell his little eyes. The same thing, I want to give him lots of fun personality and bring him to life. And a smile. Ha! Okay, now we need to give our taco some insides here. So I'm going to do like a little section here for maybe like some beef. And then I'm going to kind of just make some wiggles across the top for some lettuce. I'm just going to do like 2. If you want to do like a sour cream, some shredded cheese, stuff like that, that is entirely up to you. It is your taco. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a line in here to help ground my picture. I don't want my taco and jalapeno just floating in the air. I want them on a table, or even if you have a lot of room, draw a plate. Draw a nice big oval around the base here, and that would make a really good plate. So there's my taco and my pepper. And now is the fun part. We can grab the crayons, the markers, the colored pencils, or the paint, and we can add some color to our wonderful little doodle. So go ahead and grab your supplies and let's get started. Ah, look at how cute our little taco and chili turned out. I had so much fun drawing with you today. Please like, subscribe, and share the video, and come back for more wonderful doodles. I cannot wait to see you guys again next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.